Hi, this is Sarah from CMAC. This is our HOP50 280 hydraulic oil press. It delivers 380 tons of pressing force with just 4 kilowatts of power. It's suitable for plants and farms, especially for high-quality avocado oil extraction. Room temperature cold pressing, no heating, no temperature rise. Key components include the hydraulic cylinder and pressing barrel.
The oil barrel features precision CNC drilling and food-grade anti-overflow design.
All oil contact parts are made of food-grade 304 stainless steel. And here's the practical double barrel design. It supports both automatic and manual operation. You can fill one barrel while the other is pressing. The hydraulic oil press works with a variety of materials. You can adjust the pressing pressure for different materials. With the lifter, the oil cake can be removed completely. It can be reused as animal feed. The oil press can also be integrated with upstream and downstream equipment, forming an automatic production line.